Today, you will learn how to remove paragraph marks in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel.
First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Now look at the top menu and click on the Home tab. In the Paragraphs section, find the Show/Hide button. Click on that button once. That's it. All the paragraph marks will instantly disappear from your document. But if the paragraph marks are still showing, don't worry. There is one more setting. Go to the top left corner and click File. Then click Options at the bottom of the left sidebar. A new window will open. Click on Display from the left side. On the right side, find the section called Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen. Uncheck the option called Paragraph Marks. Now click OK. That's it. Your paragraph marks are completely removed. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy and helpful Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.